We're in the desert north of Las Vegas with adventure photographer Michael Clark and the SanDisk Extreme Portable SSD. Michael makes a living capturing images in the toughest of conditions, relying on the toughest gear. Join us to see how Michael integrates the SanDisk Extreme SSD drive into his workflow in this harsh desert environment.
My name is Michael Clark. I'm an adventure sports photographer. I've been working for 25 plus years at this point, whether it's the jungles with severe humidity or negative 40 up on a 20,000 foot peak. Yeah, difficult environments for us personally and for the gear as well. I've been climbing for 30 years, so I was a climber before I started as a professional photographer. This is my sport, this is my world. Photographing climbing is difficult because it's all about the body positioning, and just one little movement can make or break the picture. So the cameras we're using on this shoot, they're medium format cameras, so they produce a much larger resolution image, but also a much larger image file size. On average, 200 megabytes per raw image, and then once you open them, you're at like 2 gigabytes per image. On this shoot, we're using the SanDisk Extreme SSD. They're super compact, impact resistant, they're durable, they're waterproof. Pretty much in any situation, this thing's gonna work.
The SanDisk Extreme Portable SSD is a high-speed, portable, solid-state drive, designed for use by photographers and filmmakers. With a maximum data write speed of 1050 megabytes per second, files can be transferred over the Type-C USB connection with blazing speed, letting you edit straight from the drive. With capacity of up to 4 terabytes, the SanDisk Extreme Portable SSD can hold hours of video footage and thousands of still images. The SanDisk Extreme Portable SSD is dust and moisture resistant. A silicon shell protects the drive from drops and impact of up to 2 meters. This tiny drive measures only 4 by 2 inches, and a built-in carabiner loop makes it easy to clip on a belt or backpack for quick access. Data is protected via included 256-bit AES hardware encryption, and a 5-year limited warranty provides peace of mind.
So now we're gonna pull out the strobes, which we just set up. I've initially started using strobes and big flashes for portraiture. After refining and honing my techniques, in the studio, I started using that same technique to light up climbers on a cliff or surfers on a wave from really far away. But it definitely creates images that look unlike anything else that's been produced to this point. Oh yeah, woohoo! Just like the athletes are pushing themselves, I want to make sure I'm pushing the craft so that I'm paying homage to their efforts in their sports. Okay, we're done, I think. Right after the shoot's done, you really want to get the images off the cards. A fast drive that you can work directly off of is essential. They're so small that, I usually take 2 or 3 of these with me. All my gear has to be dependable, especially with sports like climbing. I don't take a backup camera because you're carrying ropes and hardware and clothing and water, food, drives, computers, everything in the chain has to work. It's been great to come back to a place that I really enjoy and that I've climbed at a lot. And also with COVID, it's been like a year since I've really done that many assignments. So it's really exciting to get back out here and start shooting again.